Hi and welcome. I'm Chef Sabrina Breezy Arlotta, and today we're covering some really great tips for chefs on super yachts and beyond. Today I am closing up the season, I am cleaning up the galley, I am sorting through everything and purging and cleansing and checking for dates of products that will actually stay here for next season, and really giving the galley a fresh start. So this is a really important thing to do at the end of the season because it makes it easier for the beginning of the next season. It also makes it easier for a different chef to come in just in case you are on a contract's ending and you're going out. And the kitchen, the galley will stay empty for the rest of the year until next season. So this is a great way to do all the purging and help the next person out and give the chief stewardess who will be in and out of the galley for the next couple of months cooking for the skeleton crew that's on board, and will help make everyone's life easier. All right, so this is a professional courtesy to the next chef, and also a great way to complete your contract is to do a humongous cleanse and cleaning on the galley before you go. All right, so here are some really great tips. Today I'm going to be cleaning out the freezer. It is full. It is full of all kinds of incredible things that we kept for the season just in case we needed them, right? There are different types of pastries, breads, things that we've baked ahead of time, shells, half-baked French loaves, different things like that, vegetables, frozen things, and all kinds of delicious things that we didn't use that we're probably going to have to throw away unless someone can take them home, right? These are a little bit more difficult to give away because they're frozen, so you would need to take it to someone that has a freezer. So if you do have someone like that on shore that you can pass these things on to and not have to throw them away, great. But most likely today we're going to have to throw away a lot of the frozen stuff that's in the freezer. And ideally we're trying to empty everything out, because who will be on board? The chief stewardess will be on board. She will be cooking for the skeleton crew throughout the next couple of months. She might not use some of the things that a fancier chef might use. Maybe she will. You can just ask her. And you want to leave things pretty clean. This particular yacht will go into the shipyard, and the galley most likely will get shut down completely. So the refrigerators and the freezer will be off. So I need to make sure that everything is empty and cleared out. So that's what we're going to do today. All right, so we're cleaning out, and this is also a really fun time for the crew because they get to eat all kinds of different things on their last few days on board, right? So I like to pre-cook some cakes on hand just in case, brownies, cupcakes, just in case an owner wants something special that I can just come into the freezer, pull it out, and prepare it for that evening or for the next day, right? So I happen to have a couple of chocolate cakes, and they're in these great little non-stick trays, so I'll be cleaning all of that stuff today. So I'll take the cakes out, I'll put them out, I'll decorate them a little bit, and I'll put them out for crew to snack on today. So some of the items we have are quite expensive specialty items that the chief stewardess probably won't use throughout the season, right? So here I have some really wonderful truffles. They're amazing. So I will ask the captain, maybe he wants to take them home, or someone on the crew that lives on land, whether they'd like to have them as well, because it would be a shame to throw out the truffles.
Sky, private chef on the yacht, 7 days we play.